What's going on, guys? Jay that Drain Guy. We're in a locker room of a building from a company that called us in because they said they didn't have enough cable. So we see this drain plugged up here. I'm assuming we can snake this stack right here, but they said they only had 40 or 60 feet of cable, 4 cables of the 7/8, but this drain's not backing up. So we believe that they're lying and they didn't even snake it. So we're gonna set the camera up. I got Logan here with me, and I'm gonna slip and fall. And we're gonna try snaking the stack and see if this goes down. Got that cord there. I'm gonna slip and fall. It's gonna be your fault. It's not. I think so. Hold that for a second. We're gonna be using a cutter. Start taking this, and we'll just lay it in the hallway. You're gonna stretch your weight out, okay? Okay, here it goes. I got the right one. No. See, like all these locker rooms have drains in them. None of them are backed up. We assume because this other one isn't, right? Actually, before we start, I want to check to make sure that it is backed up. Yeah. Actually, So you guys can see the water down there. So alright. No. So my cable popped up this drain, but we don't know why. I'm gonna pull it back and see if we can, I guess we'll try snaking that drain there. Make sure I got plenty of green cord. We'll keep it stretched out.
Green?
Yeah. Pull the cable back. Alright, here it goes. Okay, you're good? Ready? You guys can see it's going down. So we're not even in a full cable yet. So that clearly means the other company didn't even try it. That's the chunks of grease there.
Grease?
Yeah, sediment. But these big chunks there, those are grease. So we're gonna keep snaking just to make sure we get it all cleaned out. You want to put that cap back on, right by your foot, and then the pliers are up on the hanger. Open the pliers up more. You want it to be comfortable where you can hold it, so try it. I would open it up a little bit more. No. Close it a bit. Bit more. More. Right there. Yeah, to get a good grip, hold it tight and then turn. Okay, that should be good. All right, bring the cart over.
Want me to unplug it?
Yeah. Actually, hold on, not yet. Sometimes it'll get caught up to where I need to spin it. Like I said, we cleared this probably 10 feet, but we went 60 just to make sure. You can probably unplug it. It's coming out pretty easy. If you guys like the hoodie that I'm wearing, you guys can purchase it from my spread shop. I'll leave the link down below. Comes out clean. But we know it's grease. Okay. Like that. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, there's actually a kitchen line right over there. And that's what's feeding this. So right there, that copper line, that's a kitchen line. So anyway, guys, I want to thank you. This has been Jay, that drain guy. That's Logan. Say goodbye, Logan.
Goodbye.
Until next time, Taragna.